There's lots for everyone.
Oh, yes, please.
Mm-mm.
Ooh, bless you. Have you got a cold?
No, it's my hay fever. I sometimes get it when I'm near flowers.
Oh. Well, we can't have our picnic here then. We'll have to find somewhere else. OK. Right, let's go, this way. No flowers over here. That's where I was thinking of. No flowers. Good choice, Grunty. Wait, do trees make you sneeze, Dan?
Not so far.
Good.